So I have a few of these Korean brand Rom&nd palettes. This is the Better Than palette. They do sell quads as well. And this is actually similar to one of the quads I have. Don't remember what it is off the top of my head. This, however, is the Dreamy Lilac Garden Better Than palette. Came in this very standard like packaging. Milk grocery. Interesting. And of course, I live in Japan, so this Japanese label has been smeared onto the English and Korean on the back here. Now, what I like about this particular palette is that it leans more cool and light. So obviously this is not going to work for all skin tones. I am fairly light. It does have a good range of bright to light. I would prefer a little bit darker here and maybe one shade lighter even. And then I guess, for example, this one and this one, they could have had just one here and made this pinker. I like it when there's more contrast in palettes because then if you want something in between, you could just blend them. This company's products are highly blendable. The mattes in particular are very soft. You just want to make sure you don't pick up too much on the brush because then it'll go everywhere. But I really, really love the formula. So there are 7 matte shades here and 3 that have a shimmery texture. This one and this one, they're like a shimmer sheen. And this one here has more sparkles in it. Now, generally from this company, I do not care for the sparkles. There's just too much fallout. And I'm sure you can use products underneath to prevent this. But sadly, I've had not much luck with that. And I'm too lazy. I just want, something quick and easy. You can't really see it well on camera, but it's a beautiful combo of glitters in here. Very nice. So I'll show you one of the looks I made. And I used this one on the outer corner, a little bit going up to the brow, softening up. And I believe I used either this one or this one, maybe a combo, in the middle. And then I lightened up with, I believe, this one on the inner corner. And I did a sheen, just a little bit of this one here. So not all of it. But what's nice about this particular palette too is you can make it more pinkish or make it more brown. Like for example, a simple do would be maybe this one on the crease, the main shade, and then this one to outline around the eye, and then maybe a shimmer on the inner corner. Very simple look. And you can just go berserk just trying different things. But overall, as I said, there's not much contrast. So it's a simple palette. And I love the color story. Plums are, on me personally, very flattering. So there you go, the Dreamy Lilac Garden Better Than palette, which is my favorite eyeshadow combination from this brand.